Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the distance unit on the ShipXplorer application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings button. At the left side on the screen you can find the units section, and in the second option, the distance, you have three chains. You can select kilometers, miles or nautical miles, and if you want to select the kilometers, for example, just click to the white circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.